Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of Strat India.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated Asia's largest aero show, Aero India 2023 in Bangalore. The 14th edition of the event will display indigenous equipments and technologies to forge partnerships with foreign companies. The event, biggest ever till date, is likely to witness the participation of 98 countries, the defense minister of 32 countries, air chiefs of 29 countries, and 73 CEOs of global and Indian original equipment manufacturers are expected to attend the event. The Indian Air Force team led by Sukhoi 30 MKI, LCA Tejas, LCS Prachand performed a breathtaking aerobatic display in the inaugural session. However, the star attraction of this day was the arrival of the US Air Force two newest 5th generation supersonic multi-role F-35A aircraft at Aero India in Bangalore. The two jets, F-35A Lightning II and F-35A Joint Strike Fighter, arrived at the Yelehanka Air Force Station on the outskirts of Bangalore after their respective journey from Utah and Alaska Air Force bases in the US. For many commentators, the arrival of F-35 in Yelehanka was not an ideal gesture. More probably, it was a signal that Washington was positioning an American fighter to win an ongoing IAF tender for 114 multi-role fighter aircraft, or an American ploy to influence the ongoing Indian Navy's fighter procurement program. The other attraction of this event would be the participation of Russian 5th generation fighter Su-57. It is not clear whether the aircraft will be part of the static display or mock-up will be displayed to showcase its capabilities. Russia will also display the capabilities of Su-57 Checkmate in Aero India 2023 as per the sources. India is also developing its 5th generation fighter aircraft through AMCA program, which is in advanced stage. So participation of these stealth capable aircrafts will provide valuable lessons for Indian designers and insight into the 5th generation technologies. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to write your views in the comment box. Jai Hind.